Tired of wasting hours stuck in traffic every day? What if you could escape the chaos and actually enjoy your commute? Meet TENWAYs, the sleek, powerful and ultralight electric bike that's transforming urban rides in 2025. With a whisper-quiet 250-watt motor, up to 100 kilometers of range, and a maintenance-free carbon belt drive, TENWAYs makes every ride effortless and smooth. Forget struggling on hills. The advanced torque sensor gives you natural pedal assistance that feels like magic. Stay connected and in control with the smart LCD display and companion app. Track your speed, battery life, and ride stats with ease. Whether you want a sporty ride, a comfy cruiser, or a versatile hybrid, TENWAYs has a model built just for you. And right now you can save up to €200 on select models, but these deals won't last long. Lightweight, stylish, and eco-friendly. TENWAYs is the smartest way to upgrade your daily commute. Ready to ditch traffic and ride smarter? Click the link below now to grab your TENWAYs e-bike before they sell out. Don't wait, your new ride is just a click away.